Would you like to know how often Amtrak changes up the power that comes into Canada on its Maple Leaf service? Stay tuned and I'll show you 3 weeks worth of different engines that are coming into Canada on the Maple Leaf service. I'm just here in Niagara Falls, just outside of the Niagara Falls station, waiting for the Amtrak, which this morning, it might be number 717, an interesting paint scheme, and one that doesn't come down to visit us here too often. 10:15, right on time. Here she comes. Racing down to take a photograph or a video? Don't worry, you usually have at least 15 minutes from the time it arrives at the station until the time that it's ready to head out over the border back to the United States. Okay, well that was Amtrak 717 coming through Niagara Falls on August 1st, 2022. Now I'm going to show you some slideshows of all the other Amtraks that have been coming through in the last couple of weeks. You never know what you're going to see trackside, and you never know what you're going to see here. Please subscribe so you can catch all of my latest videos.